Alright, get ready, because today I'm diving into some mysteries of the Quran that will truly shock you. Let's start with number 3, the expanding universe. Way back in the 7th century, the Quran described the universe as expanding. This was centuries before scientists like Edwin Hubble even had a clue. How did people know that back then? Mind blown, right? Number 2, the mountains as pegs. The Quran mentions mountains having roots and acting like pegs, stabilizing the earth. Here's the wild part. Modern geology confirms mountains really do have deep roots underground. It's like the Quran knew about plate tectonics before textbooks did. And now, number 1, the iron from the sky. The Quran literally says iron was sent down to Earth. Today scientists agree. Most of the Earth's iron came from meteorites smashing into our planet billions of years ago. It's almost as if the Quran hinted at this cosmic delivery long before anyone had telescopes. Look, whether you're religious or just curious, these mysteries make you wonder, how did ancient people have this knowledge? Coincidence or something more? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries from around the world. See you in the next one.